Hey guys, it's Marta Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a very cool portable speaker that was sent to me by Divoom. This is the D2, the retro pixel art portable speaker. It was sent to me a couple days ago and I've been trying it out and I really love this little damn speaker. This is how it came out of the package. I got this through the mail, of course, inside of the box, but this is how it was actually packaged. Like you see there, it looks like one of those gift packs that you receive, right? And you have the item in the inside. That's so cool. So I expect if you get it, this is how you're gonna get it, because on the outside you got like all specs about the speakers, like 10-watt speakers, you know, the programmable pixel art, 8-bit pixel art. You know, it has a lot of information here about the speaker itself. Then, of course, let's go and show you guys. Of course, I put it back in the box. That way you guys can have an idea how it looks when you take it out of the box. And there it is. Look at this. Very cool container. I love it. I love how this looks. Keep in mind, this comes in different colors as well. They send me the white version, but it also comes in a whole bunch of other colors, which looks very, very, very damn gorgeous. So here you got it. Over here in the back again, you got some information about the speaker itself. So of course, let's go and open it up. There you go. Look at that. Let's go and take out the speaker. Awesome. And in the inside, I believe, let me see, I believe in the inside you have like some stickers here. Stickers available there, sticker available there. Very cool, nice looking. And you have a USB-C cables, that way you can actually recharge it as well. And it has the instruction manual. Oh, look at this. I actually left the instruction manual here. It was actually inside of this box. But it has a very good instruction manual, which you should read, because since everything is in 8-bit, it could be a little bit confusing to understand some of the things by just looking at the screen itself. Okay, so there you go. This is how the packaging look. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and this is it. This is the speaker. I put this sticker back there, that way you guys can see that it actually came with a little plastic there. And this is how it looks. It's very nice and hefty, very nice, colorful. Like I said, it also comes in different colors. Oh, look at this. I think it still has a sticker right there, plastic surrounding it. Over here you got a bass port right there in the back. Like I said, this side and the inside, this is a 10-watt speaker, which sounds really good. Over here on the side, we got the USB-C charging port. You got the battery, the on and off button, and you got a micro SD card slot. So you can actually listen to music from a micro USB slot as well. You got the brand right there. On this side, you have nothing. Here you got another more plastic there. You can put this to the side. And in the bottom, you got a barcode. You can scan this so you can actually download the application for your smartphone, which is going to give you a whole bunch of more options of customizations that you will be able to download here on this 3.5-inch screen. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's 3.5-inch screen. Very nice looking. Buttons are like computer, of course, are mechanical, which looks awesome. And it has this right here, which is like one of those levers that you pull. Like in the casinos and all that. So cool. Very, very nice build. Build quality is incredible. Okay, guys, build quality is amazing. Has a nice good heft, which makes it feel like it's a very good quality product. And it sounds incredible and it looks great. So let's go and turn it on so you guys can see how it looks when you actually turn it on. You press and hold for a couple seconds, and let's go ahead and shut up so you guys can see the sound. Oh yeah, that was cool. It always starts differently. It always starts differently. Right now it did that little sound right there, but sometimes it will sound different. It'll give you different images and then it will load up. Like see here, I touch this button right here, which will let you change between art style right there. You got this, which is the time. You got this, which looks very cool, nice, colorful, a lot of colors blinking and all that. You got that, which is like a mushroom guy that opens his mouth. It's cool when you're actually listening to music, because it looks like he's actually singing. You got this, which I actually downloaded using the application. You got, let me see, whoop, I'm touching other things. You got black. You got this time clock right there, which I also downloaded. It actually got activated that when I downloaded the application, because at first I didn't see that clock anywhere. I was looking for that, and when I turned on the application, they totally synced up, and it like updated the device as well. So you got that, and like see here, we go back here again, goes to the screen. Over here you got up and down volume. Look at that, very cool. Look at up and down volume. And here is like the menu settings. So you got games, you got, that's the games. Okay, you got art, you can actually do art. You got the tools, which lets you control like other things here, which is hard to explain, but you have to actually go through them. This is like a dB, it detects your dB surroundings. So you tap right there, you can actually see the dB, the noise around you. So you can actually measure, you see there, the sound around you. It's really, really cool. Look at that. That's really nice. So you can actually go back again. And of course it has gaming as well, which if you tap right there and you tap right there, it lets you start a Tetris game. Look at that. Very cool. Awesome. You know, it has a whole bunch of stuff there. And if you tap right there, right, and click right that, like see, there's going to be other games available as well. So that's why you really, really need to read those the instruction manual, because there's so many things here. You know, there's so I think, was that Snake? I think that was like Snake. Was it? I think it was like Snake. I think something like that. So that's why you really need to read the instruction manual, because a lot of times a lot of these things are not going to make sense. But yeah, it has that. You know, here, right here, if I tap right there, it lets me switch between Bluetooth and the SD card. Look at that, Bluetooth and SD card. So if you're gonna listen to music from the SD card, you just leave it there and click right that, and it'll go that. Right now you choose that, and boom, we're selecting Bluetooth. Let me go and show you guys the application. Okay, let's go and tap right here, which is the Divoom application. And here, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix the camera. Right now, for example, you can actually control the brightness. Like, see that? You can actually control the brightness of the clock itself. You can change here the type of clock that you see there. Look at that. That's so cool. That is so damn awesome. You can also change the main color of the clock as well. Here as well. You got also the temperature. You can actually change that. You can show me the calendar if you want to show the calendar there. And you can show, this is of course images that you can activate that as the main screen. Here you got Discover. Here, from here you could download. There's a huge community, and there's a lot of people actually creating a lot of beautiful stuff here. Here you can change the color for that little screen right there. Like, see, you want to switch that to the colors. If I want to change that, the patterns. There's a lot of patterns you can actually download. Here you got recommended. You got visualizer. Here you got the things that you've been downloading. These are custom designs that you've been downloading. So far, that's the only one I've been downloading. That's because I've been trying to learn about the device as much as possible. And I've been trying to enjoy everything that's inside of the device instead of downloading so much stuff here. But you do have like recommended sections. You do have like best or expert. You got expert sections here, which these are badass. I think they're free. I believe they're all free right now. There's groups. They could create their messages. This is you. You have to actually create an account. Galleria. Let me see. Can we download one right now that actually looks nice? These are new. Look at that. You got new. You got this one right here. Let's see. Download. Okay. Apply. Yeah, allow. And look at that. There you go. Awesome. That is so cool. So you actually have other things here you can actually apply. So cool, so cool. So, but of course you can actually change. It's not gonna actually delete anything there. It's so damn awesome. And that's it. So the cool thing about that, of course, is also the speakers. The speakers are also incredible. You know, for the size of it. It's gonna show you guys some non-copyright music here that won't get me in trouble. I could stop it by like tap it right there. So freaking awesome. Volume. Could turn the volume all the way down. Volume all the way up. See the sound? So like you see there, it sounds really damn good. It sounds really damn good. And believe me, this would be an awesome gift like for anybody. My daughter saw these speakers and she was like so freaking happy. She loved them. It's a really good gift for anybody. These speakers go for around $99, but of course they're on Amazon, which normally prices can change here and there depending on holidays and all that. So you got to pay attention to that. But it's really, really, really damn cool. I'm so impressed how beautiful it sounds. I'm so impressed with all the things that are in it, because it also has like voice recorder. You can actually record your voice as well. It has so many things in it. The games. Right now, if you visit my Instagram, I did upload a video with Weekend singing "Don't Cry Tears on Me" or something like that. Save the tears for something later. Freaking awesome. Sounds incredible. Listening to music sounds awesome. Of course, you can tap right here and turn it off. Pause it. You can tap again here, pause it again, unpause it. You can also receive calls. So when you receive calls, I believe you tap right here and it'll answer the phone call as well. So that's another cool thing as well that it has. And that's it, guys. So like you see, it has a whole bunch of things you could do here, like the clock. You can go and change it there. Oh yeah, it does have an alarm as well. So it does have an alarm. Now it's gonna go ahead and turn on at 12 midnight like it did the other day. Yeah, you can actually change the alarm time as the tools right here. So much things I could do here. But I'm telling you, you really have to actually read the menu so you can have an idea what's in it, what exactly you can do. But believe me, it's so incredible. I love the size of it. It's so cool, and how good and heavy it feels. It does not feel cheap at all. Here is the bass part, which gives it a very good oomph there. The speaker sounds really good. Oh, also, if you want to see this has like a 3,000 milliamp hour battery in the inside, and it'll give you around 8 hours of battery life. If you tap and hold the battery button, tap and hold. Let me see. Oop, and tap and hold. No, oh no, you just tap it. Just tap it, and you can actually see the battery life. Look at that. That's the battery life so far. So I did charge the battery completely last night. And if you tap it and you turn it off, tap it a couple seconds, and it turns off completely. Let's go ahead and listen to it again, turning on again. See, another different design. Awesome. Letting you that it's on a Bluetooth. Look at that. Awesome. That's so crazy. These lights, if you want to turn them off, you could just press and hold, and it'll turn those lights off. That way you can save more battery. And sometimes some people don't like the RGB looking under the mechanical keys, so that looks right there a little bit more cleaner as well. It's so damn cool. I can't say so many things about it. I've been using it a lot since I got it, and especially to normal music, and I've been loving it, how cool it sounds, and the design art there, and going through the application and seeing what people are creating. It's so damn awesome seeing what people are doing, coming up with here. So damn awesome. Seasonal emojis. Let's go and download this one right here. Click right there. Click apply. And look at that. Look how fast that thing actually appeared right there. That's so cool. And of course I can hit apply. That's it. Look at that. That's so cool. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this D2 speaker, portable art speaker from Divoom. I'll leave links in my description for the speaker itself, which obviously you could get in different colors. It comes in blue. The blue color looks incredible. It comes in pink, comes in black, whole bunch of other colors available there, but they look awesome. And I'll also leave a link to the store of Divoom because they also sell a lot of stuff on Amazon besides these speakers. So I'll leave 2 links in my descriptions for this device. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about the D2 speaker from Divoom. I love it. It looks awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.